Eylure Cosmetics London in the number 141. So these are pre-glued, which means that you don't have to buy glue. They already have glue on them, which is great if you're a beginner. And then they're in the style Exaggerate. So I can't wait for these. Apparently they are 15-hour wear and they take 50 seconds to apply them. So I don't know, I'm not too sure. This is a little bit of a review / tutorial, yeah. And they say no glue, no mess, no stress. So yeah guys, I'm gonna just open the packaging up. So this is what you get. Basically it's telling me R, which stands for right, and then L, which means left. And yeah, the packaging is quite cute, quite minimal, not too bad. Yeah, I like these lashes, guys. Look at them. Look at them! I don't know, well, I have a London accent all of a sudden because I'm using a brand from London. I don't know. Matting. Okay, so I'm gonna try it and peel them out. So this is my left, yeah. So, bruh. I'm gonna take the left. Guys, I'm trying to, okay, I got it. There's the glue. So, oh my gosh, it's in black, guys. So the glue is black. So this is how it looks. And another thing that you will need is tweezers. These tweezers are from Signature. I think they were like 14 rand or something. So let me just open them up because that is what I'm going to use to apply these lashes. I don't apply lashes with my hands most of the time because I don't know, I feel like I'm gonna poke my eye out. I prefer tweezers. So these are the tweezers. They're really cute. I feel they're very beginner friendly because they're not too pokey. Yeah, they're not too sharp, which I love. And okay, and a mirror. You need a mirror. I'm gonna be using this tiny mirror from like my compact powder. So I'm gonna start with the left one. I must say it sticks and I don't have time to cut it. I don't know. I have to shape my eye. This is a bit annoying because it's sticking to my so I'll just hold it with my tweezers like this because it's pre-glued, you guys. So that's what I'm going to do. Oh my goodness. Okay, here we have it. I feel like they're gonna be too long. Let me just try and, you know, measure my eye. And yeah, let me just zoom in. So guys, I'm measuring my eye. You can see I need to like cut like, I don't know, this part because I have almond eyes. It's very important to know your eye shape. So I have, you know, tiny almond eyes. So I'm gonna cut like, I'm gonna cut here. Basically the last two strands, yeah. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use my scissors. So I just cut. Oh my gosh, why is this annoying? Okay. Oh wow. This is annoying because it's pre-glued. It's great, but at the same time, it's kind of low-key annoying. Okay, it's gone as you can see. And now I'm gonna take my tweezers again. Imagine if I was doing this with my hands. It'd be so annoying. So here goes nothing. I'm going to basically, I already put mascara, you guys. I just put my lashes to go down. So I'm gonna push down my lashes because I don't have an eyelash curler right now. Okay, now it's time to pop these babies on. I'm gonna look down and then put the middle and go to the side. And then be as close to the lash line as possible. These actually were on, I put them on a bit easier than my left eye. I think you just have to get the hang of it, and then you'll be a pro eventually. And I also feel that with this pre-glue, you have to glue the inner corner lash so it will stick better, because I feel like this pre-glue is just not sufficient. Oh my gosh, it's not sufficient on its own in the inner corner. So guys, I got these lashes on. I will advise that you do put a bit of glue in the inner corner and in the outer corner, because the pre-glued, when it has like the eyeshadow powder on it, it doesn't stick that well. So you don't want to have those lashes which look like they're falling out of your eyes. So because I have everything now, I have to make it look, you know, in unison, to look as one. So I'm using the Essence Lash Me. No, actually the Lash Princess. What I like about this mascara is that it is curved, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm just going to do that with my lashes underneath to basically camouflage as much as I can and remove. Okay. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna go underneath that. I feel like these lashes are not the perfect lashes for my eye shape. They're a bit exaggerative, as they did say that it's exaggerate. They are exaggerative. They're cute, but I just feel like they're a bit too much, but I like them. I be looking cute or whatever. So I'm gonna just put the lashes to go down like that, so it just looks natural. I don't want them to flutter too much, so I'll just adjust them to my liking, which is this. This is how you put your lashes. If you feel like you have any issues, I would say that how would I rate these lashes? I would say I would give them a 7 out of 10. The reason being is because the pre-glued is not, the glue can get annoying, especially if you're putting it because your tweezers, if your tweezers hold onto the glue, it becomes annoying when you're trying to pull it and, you know, put it properly. It can be annoying, but nonetheless, these lashes kept well. I actually like them. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed my eyelash tutorial for beginners. And yeah, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with a friend or two. And yeah guys, love you guys so much, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video. To watch the next one, click right here. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button right here.